Can, okay, good. Next one. This one, you have to draw the graph, then you shape the part that you want, then you have to minus yourself. Right? You see this one, huh? Question number E. E. They want the probability of Z between 0 and 1.236. Okay. Graph, this is the part that they want you to find. Between 0 and 1.236. So how to find the center part like that? The calculator
Q.
can, right? But I don't want to use the Q, P, Q, R. I don't want to use Q. I don't want to use Q. How to do, right? So the shaded part will be the probability of Z greater than 0. That means I use the pen to show you. Where's my pen already? Okay, this one. The probability of Z greater than 0. Greater than 0 is all this, Greater than 0 is all this. Okay. Then minus the, what is this? Minus the area here. Minus the area here. The area, this part, the blue color. So the red color includes the blue color. Then you minus the blue color, you get the center part. So that is the trick we use to find the center part. How to find the center part? You use greater than 0 minus greater than 1.2. Or then you may ask me, can I use area less than 1.2 minus area less than 0? Can. Can. So there are two ways. There are two ways of finding out the answer. You can use area greater than 0 minus the area greater than 1.2. Now from the graph there, you can see that the area greater than 0 is the bigger part. So you use the bigger part minus the smaller part. So you use 1.2 greater than 1.2, sorry, greater than 0 minus greater than 1.2. But you can also do like that, You can also do like that. Oh, I use the area, I use the area less than 1.2. Area less than 1.2, this area here, area less than 1.2. Then I minus the area less than 0, minus the area less than 0. I will also get the area for the center part. Answer is correct. You can either use either way, right? You can either way. Or you try out this question and see. Question E, use first method and use the second method.
Uh, Teacher, is the answer
What's the answer?
0.39177?
0.39177, correct, right? Right. You use which method? This method
First,
or
yeah,
the first method? You try the
first.
second method and see. Second method, you have to
Okay,
use
teacher.
1.2, less than 1.2 because that probability is bigger. So you
Okay,
start with
teacher.
Z less than 1.2 minus Z less than 0 and see whether you get the same answer or not.
Teacher,
Ah,
is the P 1.2 minus
correct,
P 0
correct. E 1.2 minus P
But
0.
I get wait
The
wait
last
wait.
number not same. Is it
Same
the
already, same.
same? Okay, okay. Other girls can get the answer or not? Jia Yan can get the answer or not? Jia Yan? Okay, can. Even both method also can? Can, okay. Right, so now we're going to look at the next question, this one. You use first method or second method, I don't care. You tell me your method, I'm going to ask you, you tell me your method, You do F. You do F. Where is the F? Why I show you answer? You do F and see. You try first. Tell me the answer. Okay, what's the answer? Answer. You want the probability of Z between negative 0.461 and positive 1.868. So if you use the greater than, then you have to use probability of Z greater than negative 0.461 minus the smaller one, Z greater than 1.6868, right? So what's the answer? You use R. Of course, you want to use P also can, but you want to use P, you have to start with 1.868. So answer is 64672. Correct or not? Now in the exam, you just round off to 4 significant figure. Don't have to
Yes,
give the
teacher.
so many. Give 4 enough already. Otherwise, the answer and your answer will be different. But if the answer
Okay.
different one or two, the last digit one or two number, never mind, right? Okay, next one. This one G. G is like that. Can you use your knowledge of area 1 minus the area to find this G? This
Yes,
one
teacher.
G. Try and
Okay.
see.
Mm.
What minus what?
Wait, teacher.
Ah, okay, right. So, what's the answer? Okay, so what you want is this, the modulus of Z or the magnitude of Z, the absolute value of Z greater than 2.0. So greater than 2.0 means the side here and the side here. Greater than positive 2.0, less than negative 2.0. Right? So you want the two corners here, the two tail, the upper tail and the lower tail. So how to find the upper tail? Upper tail, lower tail first lah. Lower tail you use P, less than negative negative 2.063. The upper tail, Z, you use the R, greater than you use the R, 2.063. You add this, the upper tail and the lower tail. The two add together, you will get the answer. Answer is 0.0391 because exam they count until four significant figure, right? Last one. Last one, what does it mean? The magnitude or the modulus is less than 1.7. It means the center part that they want. Here 1.7, here negative 1.7. This is what they want, right? So how to find the center part, right? You use one minus the other. Either the P minus P or the R minus R. So they want the probability of Z, magnitude of Z, or the absolute value of Z less than 1.7. It means that they want the probability between negative 1.7 and positive 1.7. Between. So how to find the area between? We have like this one, like question E. What's the
Yeah.
answer?
I use the R negative 1.763 plus P 1.763. Then I will get 1.9221. Then I minus 1.
Can like that. Or you can do like
I
that. Okay, you can do like that. Probability Z greater than 1.7 minus probability of Z greater than 1.7. So actually it is like this. Actually it's like this. You use the whole big area, here, then minus the small area. Minus the small area here, right? Minus the small area here. This part, minus this part here. So when you see, whenever you see between one, you can use one number minus the other number. But if you are using the table, then it's quite difficult. You have to do a few steps. Right? But if you are using the calculator, you can do it in one step. Any questions so far?